Hello and welcome back to Single Malt Lover. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jazwal and I post videos on how to do easy cocktails at home. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a Black Russian. This cocktail is made with vodka and kalua or any other coffee liqueur. So take your glass, add some ice. Add about 40 ml of your vodka. And 20 ml of your coffee liqueur or the kalua, whichever one you have. There you go. So that's your Black Russian, guys. And if you want, you could also add a Coke just to top it up, but it's not necessary. It's up to your preference. You could top it up with Coke, and you could just enjoy it with Coke or without Coke. By the way, this is your Black Russian, guys. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Drop me a comment below. Let me know what you want to see in the next video, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Until then, peace and enjoy.